go.
Hi students, we are going to do time chapter conversion. Already you have learned conversion in measurement chapter. You have learned metric system. Okay. But now anyhow we are not going to use metric system. But you know certain units. For example, 1 day is equal to 24 hours. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Like this certain units already you have learned. Okay. We are going to use only these units and we are going to do the conversion. Okay. So just for converting from one unit to another unit, first thing we have to write the measures. First thing we have to write the measures. And what else? What was the second thing? How to calculate we have to find out. So how to calculate? One thing where we have multiplied, otherwise divided. So now you have to remember when we multiplied, when we divided. While converting from higher units to lower units, we multiplied. When we convert from lower units to higher units, we divided. This just remembering the measures, that means the units measures. And the second thing, this thing when to multiply and divide. You remember these two things, easily you can do the conversion. For example, the first question, let me solve it. First question, 4 days and into hours. 4 days into hours. Okay, we are going to convert 4 days into hours. How many hours are there in 4 days? We are going to find out. So what are the units here? Days and hours. You have to write the measures. You know that 1 day is equal to day. You have to write the measures connecting with days and hours. Okay, days and hours you are going to write. So 1 day is equal to 24 hours. Now I have written the measures. Now day is the bigger unit and hours is the smaller than days. You know that in 1 day we have 24 hours. That means day is bigger, hour is smaller. Okay, now from day to hours you are going to change. Higher units to lower units you are going to change. That means you have to multiply. So now you take 4 we are going to find hours for 4 days. Okay, so 4 multiplied by this 24 hours. Simple thing. Just you multiply and write the answer, that's all. So you can multiply like this. 4 4s are 16, 1 carry, 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 1, 9. So 96 hours. So this is the answer. Very simple. Whatever the units or measures can be, the first step you have to follow, you have to write the measures. Okay, especially in this time chapter you have only 3 or 4 measures. That is already I told you 1 day is equal to 24 hours, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Only I think these 3 you have. So with that you can see these 2 units, then you have to write these things. Okay, so now first thing, higher units to lower units you are converting here. So you multiply and wrote the answer. Have you got it? Shall we do few more examples so you will be sure of this. 3 days, 18 hours into hours. So when you are converting into hours, so you must remember what you are supposed to do. These hours will remain as it is. Only these 3 days you are going to convert into hours. That as you did in the measurement chapter. So let us do stepwise. The first step you have to write the measures. 1 day is equal to 24 hours. My first step is over. The second step, whether I have to multiply or divide, I have to see. Okay, see here 3 days, hours. From higher units to lower units we are converting, so we have to multiply. So 3 multiplied by 24 hours. This hours we are going to keep as it is. You know that at last we are going to add that. So plus 18 hours. So you can write at the side and multiply, otherwise you can multiply it directly. So here 3 4s are 12, 1 carry, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1, 7. So 72 hours plus 18 hours. So here 2 plus 8, 10, 1 carry, 2, 2 plus 7, 9. So 90 hours. This is the answer. Have you got it? I hope you have understood. Okay, if you are having any doubt, watch this again and again, because step wise I told you. The same step we are following. Even in the measurement chapter also we followed, and here also we are following. Okay, so the same steps we have followed. Now you have to watch again and again. You will surely get it. Okay, shall we do few more questions with the different measures. 8 hours into minutes. Okay, 8 hours into minutes. So here let us write the measures now. Let us write the formula. Okay, hour and minute. What is that formula? 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So now we are going to convert hour to minutes, higher units to lower units. So we have to multiply. We have to multiply. So 8 multiplied by 60 minutes. 0, 8 6 are 48 minutes. Have you got it? Very simple. Very simple. Methods are same, only the measures are different. Okay, shall we do few more questions? Ten minutes, 16 seconds. We have to convert into seconds. Okay? Minutes and seconds. What are the measures you are going to write? So 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Okay? So now you know that higher units to lower units we are going to convert. So we have to multiply. So 10 multiplied by 60 seconds. As usual, this seconds we have to add it. So I am writing plus 16 seconds. Because we are not going to convert seconds into seconds. Okay. So we are going to write as it is. Now multiply this one. When you multiply it by 6 means just you have to add 0. You know that. Okay. 600 seconds plus 16 seconds. So the total 616 seconds. Okay. I hope you have understood. If you have any doubt, watch this video again and again. Thank you.